The XILINX UltraScale Plus FPGA KCU116 evaluation kit targets the UltraScale Plus XILINX FPGA and is ideal for evaluating its 28 gigabit per second transceiver performance. The XILINX UltraScale Plus family balances price, performance, and power consumption and is a very cost-effective solution for high-end FPGA applications. The XILINX device has 475,000 logic cells and 1,824 DSP slices, as well as 16 GTY 32.75 gigabit per second transceivers connected to the HPC FMC connector, the PCIe interface, and the ZSFP Plus connectors on the evaluation board. Further expansion is possible using the two PMOD connectors. The evaluation board also provides 1 GB of DDR4, 64 MB of quad SPI flash, a microSD slot, an HDMI codec and port, and a gigabit Ethernet interface. The kit includes a node and device locked license for the XILINX Vivado design suite to accelerate development.